what if I want to combine these two columns? There's multiple ways to do that, but I think there's kind of we've got what species did we see? And what species did you think you were going to see? Well, I just want to know species. I just want a column of species for my analysis, like what squirrels or bird or whatever it is. And again, while there's multiple ways to do this, I'm just going to, well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sort this data using data sort, and I'm going to go with what species did you observe? Okay. When I do that, I'll have this, I'll have it sorted. Okay, these are the ones that we actually observed on there. But I'm going to insert, so I'm going to go to home, and every Excel is a little bit different, and insert a column, and I'm just going to call that species. It's not where I wanted it, but don't worry about that. So now I'm going to basically take this entire, well, I'm just going to go, there's probably an easier way to do this too. I'll just click on that, go to end of that. We've got, I'm going to do control click and then control or shift click, I'm sorry, control copy. And I'm just going to bring that whole thing over here and then control V will paste that in. And now I'm going to do the same thing for what species do you think you saw? And the way that I have this, so those are the ones I did see. So I'm just going to go down to the end of that. And at this point, there weren't any observed. We kind of switch over to this column. These are the ones that we think we probably, this is what I expected. So I'm going to just, and here I'm just dragging up. Now there's only 1,600 rows here. So I can do the same thing. I'm going to do control copy. And I'm going to go back over to that species column that I just created. Here, and I'm going to go control V. And now I've got an actual species column that I can play with. And we'll clean that up in the next video.